guys! You have to try my Au Gratin potatoes. I'll show you guys exactly how I make it. They're so good.
This is also called Dauphinoise or Dauphinoise. Hopefully I didn't butcher it. Start by rolling out some potatoes. No, just kidding. Peel your potatoes. Then soak them in a water bath to keep them from browning till you're ready to slice. Mince your garlic and set it aside. Then make your bechamel sauce. Start by melting butter in a medium-sized saucepan. Once melted, add your minced garlic and keep stirring about 30 seconds or fragrant. Then add your flour to make your roux and again keep stirring about another 30 seconds. Now start adding your milk, about a half cup at a time. Keep stirring so the milk doesn't burn. Also, do your best to adjust the burner to keep it at a simmer. Once all the milk is in, stir in your heavy cream and hot sauce if you choose to add it. Add the salt and pepper, and then the Gruyere cheese. Turn down the burner if the sauce is simmering and thickening. You want the sauce to be a bit viscous, but it doesn't need to be super thick. Definitely not gummy. Keep stirring till your cheese is fully melted. Then remove it from the heat and set it aside. Now's a good time to start preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then start building your Au Gratin potatoes. Grease a 9x13 baking dish with butter or cooking oil spray. Slice up some of your potatoes, but not all. Just enough to possibly fill the bottom of the baking dish. You want to partially overlap the potato slices, covering about 1/3 of the potato slice. Lightly salt and pepper the potato just to layer the flavors. Add about 1/3 of the bechamel sauce on top of the potatoes. Then scatter about 1/3 of your shredded cheddar cheese on top of the sauce. Now you can repeat the layers 2 more times with potato slices, salt and pepper, bechamel, and shredded cheese. You can also build this dish ahead of time, refrigerate it, let it sit out for about an hour before you're ready to bake it. If you enjoy this kind of recipe and video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell to get my latest videos. Once your Au Gratin is complete with 3 beautiful layers, bake it at 375 for 1 hour. Once the time is up, it comes out nice and golden and bubbly. Let these potatoes sit for 10 to 15 minutes before cutting and serving. Once you're ready to serve it, it cuts beautifully into neat squares or rectangles for an elegant presentation for your holiday meal. It's a great make-ahead dish for the holidays. Happy cooking!